Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of JD Flutes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Boy, do I have a surprise for y'all today. This one here is a beauty, folks. This is a custom drone I created for a really good customer. And this drone here was produced out of cherry wood. It's a very hard wood. And it has an oil finish. And this drone here is my Special Series E tuned to 440 Hertz. And as we know, my drones, they're not made like everyone else's drones who do the wood drones. Everyone else that I know of, they make a solid piece of wood and they split it down the sides and bore them out, and then they'll glue them together. Mine's not made like that. Mine, the flutes themselves, are one-piece flutes. They have been bored out using a gun drill. This one here, like I said, this one here is my base E, and it's been bored out with a 1 1/8 of an inch gun drill bit. This flute here, folks, to me is a true beauty. If you can see it, my camera doesn't always do these flutes justice. I can't get my lighting right. I don't know why, but I just can't. But they always look better in person. And for this flute here, as you can see, I have it very easy on the mouth. You can just put your lips against the flute instead of having to put it all the way on top of the flute. You can put it against the flute. And this customer wanted, well, no, I made a mistake. This customer gave me free. He told me to do whatever I wanted to do with his flute. He gave me a little bit of money, and he told me, he said, JD, do what you can with that. And so what I came up with for him, he doesn't even know anything about this, folks. He even told me to choose the fetishes. I chose eagle fetishes for him with genuine turquoise eyes. They both are pretty well the same. Behind the fetish, I put a genuine turquoise stone for him, if you can see it. Also at the finger holes, I gave him 3 more genuine turquoise stones. And also, I engraved him an eagle at the bottom of the flute, if you can see it, folks. I felt like it just came out beautifully. It's so beautiful, folks, to me, how this flute came out. I hope he loves it just as much as I do. There you go, buddy. Hope you love it. Maybe you can see it. My screen on my camera is so small I can't hardly see it. But maybe you all can see it. And you can tell it's totally different from everyone else's. Mine's not solid across here. I have it to where, you know, you can put a piece of leather in here if you wanted to. You know, instead of having your leather all the way across the flute, you can put it just on your flute at your plan to cover your 3rd hole. But I felt like his flute just came out wonderful. Very hard piece of wood, folks. Hard piece of wood. I don't know where my supplier gets his wood from, but that's some hard stuff. It's like rocks. Even on the bottom it's beautiful, folks. Even on the bottom. I hope he loves it. On the bottom right here, I have JD Flutes Special Series E 440 Hertz. Written right on the bottom. I also gave him black genuine deer leather. It's very soft leather. I hope he loves it. This flute to me has a very wonderful voice. And if you tongue it correctly on your higher notes, it'll jump into a higher octave and it gives it a different voice. But like I said, you got to tongue it a little bit harder at your higher notes, and I'll demonstrate that to you. It's very easy to do on this flute. It's no work at all. Let me know what you think about it, folks. See how it jumped into that other octave? You have to excuse me, my sinuses are bothering me today. Can't hardly breathe. But I hope he enjoys this flute, and I hope everyone else enjoyed it. And if you would like to have one of these flutes here, I make the bass E's in 528 Hertz, 440 Hertz, 432 Hertz in the special series with the double drone. So reach out to me if you would like to have one. And as you can see, I do engravings on them. And you can add turquoise, whatever you would like. But like I said, he told me I could do whatever I wanted to do with this one here. And I just hope he loves it. Reach out to me. All my contact information will be below this video. And also I'll send you the link to my website. I still have some flutes on there that's in stock. You can get them right away. You won't have, there's no wait. And if you would like to have one of these here right now, due to all my other customers, I'm still getting them out within about 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, folks. And I have quite a bit of customers. And I appreciate that. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and this flute. And I can't wait to hear from you. It'll be an honor to create you one of these flutes. Thank you so much.